Welcome to the ID900 Time Controllers tutorial videos. In this video, we will show you how to set up and configure a built-in coincidence filter using the configuration editor of the time controller. First of all, turn on the relevant input ports by changing the property of each selected channel to on. In this example, we are using input 2 and input 3. The input blocks are connected to the delay blocks in order to compensate some delays before processing. Actual processing occurs in the TSC07 block. Delay 3 is connected to the first import of TSC07 called FIR. Here we configure a filter window defined by the rising edge of delay 2 as a reference for both beginning and end of the windows. We set the window to begin with no delay after the reference and to end 10,000 picosecond after this reference. We want to transmit the events from delay 3 that occurs inside the defined windows, so we select only FIR for opt-in. We just select mute for opt-out, as we want nothing to be transmitted outside the window. Now we can connect TSC07 to a raw block for coincidence timestamps export or to an histo block for built-in histogramming. Furthermore, we can also connect TSC07 to an output block to generate pulses at one of the output ports of the time controller. Here we choose output 4 and configure a NIM pulse for a fixed length of 10 nanoseconds. Enjoy the coincidence filter of your time controller and see you soon for another time controller tutorial.